Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to save CapCut video to gallery in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on CapCut app. Okay.
Order food you love with Food Panda. Download the app and order
Click
now.
on Continue app. Click on New Project. Then template. Click on Videos. Tap on three dot option. Click on Save Videos. Downloading your videos. Just wait few seconds. Okay. Then loading. Just wait. Okay, downloading 19%. Then save videos. Okay, then back your gallery, then photos, add your downloaded CapCut videos. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.